Hey, how are we doing today, intermediate algebra students? Today, you're using units to solve problems. I got to tell you, when I started this I started just reading the question and then trying to answer what it looked for. And it was really difficult. Then I reversed my thinking and I started actually starting here with what is it truly asking for first. Then I would read the question and pick out only the information I needed. So in this one, how much should Trevor's family pay per minute on shower water? So all we got to worry about is all the information we need to figure out how much they paid per minute for shower water. So the house Trevor's family lives in has 6 people, including Trevor, and 3 bathrooms. In the past month, each person showered for an average of 480 minutes and used an average of 72 liters of water over the entire month. Water costs 20 cents per liter. So if you think about it, if each person used 72 liters of water per month and they showered for 480 minutes, then basically we just got to take that 72 liters divided by the 480 minutes to figure out that we were using 0.15 liters of water per minute. Okay? Then, once we know that it's 0.15 liters per minute, we simply multiply that by the 20 cents per minute it was, and we know that we ended up paying 3 cents a minute for our water. And there's our answer. So again, they're giving you information you don't need in these, and you have to siphon through it. And that's why it pays to look at the actual question down below first. So let's read this one first. Assuming these rates continued, for how many months, and actually I'm going to scroll up here. Scroll up so I can make this work. Assuming these rates continue, for how many months does Dagago need to upload videos to get 900 or 9 million views on his channel? Okay. Dagago uploads 3 videos on his channel every month. Each month, he averages 15 minutes in length and gets an average of 150 new views per video. The average ratio of likes to views for his videos were 1 to 5. Diago wants to reach 9 million views on his channel. So again, to get his 9 million views, we know he makes 3 videos a month. Each video has 150,000 views on it. So 3 videos times 150,000 views on that thing comes out to be 450,000 views per month. If he wants to get to a grand total of 9 million views, we take the 9 million, we divide it by the 450 per month to know that it's going to take him 20 months to get there. So again, not super difficult, but it really helps to start with the question down below first before you actually read all the information, because they gave you a lot of information you did not need. So good luck on this one. Of course, I'm always here to help you get through this one. Good luck, guys, and good news is when we get done with this one, this is the last con of the unit section, which I know it was only 1 con per day, but I think you'll agree these were pretty difficult. So let's get through this one. You have your test tomorrow on this one, and then we start a brand new, not as difficult unit starting on Monday. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.